Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to log out of your Adobe Lightroom account. If you want to log out or sign out of your Adobe Lightroom account, then first of all open the Adobe Lightroom application on your device. This process will work on Android devices, so let's get started. Once you're inside the Adobe Lightroom app, go ahead and tap on the menu button with 3 horizontal lines indicated at the top left corner. From here, go ahead and tap on Account. Under Account, you will see a Sign Out button. Simply tap on that. Click on Sign Out once again in the pop-up and you will be able to log out or sign out of your Lightroom account easily. So that's how you log out of Adobe Lightroom. You can now sign in whenever you want by tapping on Continue with Google or sign in with Adobe, Facebook or Apple option displayed in the first interface. That's how you successfully log out of Adobe Lightroom, and now you can safely switch accounts or secure your device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.